Hey chocolate lovers and welcome back. If you have been anywhere on social media lately, you have seen that chocolate. The one with the mesmerizing crunch, the rich melt in your mouth feeling, and the absolute viral sensation from Dubai. Well, today is the day we crack the code. You don't need a plane ticket to experience this incredible treat. We are talking about the famous, the fabulous, the utterly attractive Dubai viral chocolate. And we are making it right here from scratch in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin. So first take 50 grams white chocolate and simply melt it in a microwave for 20 seconds each time until the chocolate is nicely melted. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 4 to 5 drops of green food color and give it a nice mix. Then take a chocolate bar silicone mold. I have got this on Amazon. Then simply add the white chocolate as shown. Try to make a design similar like this. Then keep it in the fridge until the white chocolate is nice and firm. Then take a bowl, take 185 grams dairy milk buttons and add half of the chocolate butter and keep half to use later, and melt the chocolate in a microwave for 30 seconds each. So as you can see that the chocolate is nicely melted. Then add the remaining half of the chocolate butter and give it a nice mix until the chocolate is nicely melted. Keep mixing it until the chocolate reaches at room temperature. So the chocolate is ready now. Then take the chocolate mold and add the melted chocolate. Just enough to cover the bottom and the sides. And nicely spread it as shown. Make sure there are no gaps left. Then leave it in the fridge until the chocolate is nice and firm. Then in a hot pan add 1 tablespoon butter and allow it to melt. Then add 100 grams of Kadayif and then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then allow it to cool down at room temperature. So the Kadayif is nice and cool down now. Then add 200 grams of pistachio cream. I have used this brand, you can get it on Amazon. Then give it a nice mix. Then leave it aside. Then take the chocolate mold and simply add the Kadayif filling in the center. Make sure to spread it nicely even on the sides. Then add the remaining melted chocolate and nicely spread it until the whole surface is covered properly. Then simply leave the chocolate bar in the fridge until it is nice and firm. So the chocolate bar is nice and set now. Then simply demold it as shown. So the homemade Dubai viral chocolate is ready. I hope you will try this recipe at home guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.